happy Saturday. I hope you all are having a fantastic start to your weekend. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We have a lot of fun here, and it's always a great time. Unboxings, giveaways, lives, it's always fun. So please do consider hitting that subscribe button. And as always, leave your thoughts and comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. And give the video a thumbs up because it does really help me out. But as you can see, today we are going to be unboxing our June 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, I had actually signed up because I'm going to start doing the Ipsy versus Ipsy, but what I am going to do is actually the same profile. So I want to see if, as opposed to doing like two separate profiles, I want to see if I have this profile and then I set up another profile that is exactly the same, if it's similar. But apparently Ipsy has like a waiting list, I guess, for their regular bag because I signed up thinking I would get it here in June, but I'm not going to start getting it until July. So next month we will start having the Ipsy versus Ipsy. So be on the lookout for that. Otherwise, let's get into the June 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. For those of you that do not know, this is a $10 monthly subscription. You can receive sample size, deluxe sample size, and even full-size items. And last month, y'all, I received 5 full-size items in this subscription for $10. I was blown away. We received full size quite a bit, but I have never received 5. All of my items were full size. I was blown away. I also do want to remind you guys, today is Saturday, June 15th, so we do have our Upbox giveaway going on. The link will be down below. It does end tomorrow, June 16th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the winner will be announced on Monday the 17th. So you want to definitely check that out. You will win a deluxe version of the June 2019 Upbox as well as a gift card. So if you haven't already, check out that video and enter to win. But let's get into this. I've rambled, so opening time. All right, so Ipsy really is one of my favorite subscriptions. It was one of the very first ones I ever had, and it's just an oldie but goodie. So all right, I see some stuff outside of the bag this month. So they do that when items don't fit. So we're just going to kind of set those to the side for a second. One of them actually is an add-on. That is one thing I do like about Ipsy, is they have started where you can add on certain products for $3. They're generally sample size or deluxe sample size, but sometimes there's brushes, and that's actually one of the items I added on for only $3. And then they do have full-size items you can add on for $12. So this is the bag. They are in a collaboration with Tetris this month. I'm actually glad I got this like purple bag because there were so many different colors, and I think this one is super cute. So it says Tetris here. Or no, it says Ipsy there, but on the back side it says Tetris. And then we have like the little block from Tetris. Here is our zipper. And they have been putting a card. Awesome. I love that they have started to do this. They have started putting a card the last few months. I want to say February or March was the first time I noticed it, where it actually goes over your items. It does not tell you pricing like with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but it's still nice that it does go into detail about your items. So let's start with my add-on, just because I obviously knew about this guy. And this is, again, I paid $3 for this. This is an Elizabeth Mott all over shadow brush. And I've received Elizabeth Mott brushes before, and I really enjoy them, and I really like the way this feels. So I think this is going to be a really great brush for eyeshadow, and it was $3. So there was that. Now, for the actual bag, let's see. So outside the bag, this is what I see. So it looks like we have some sheet mask, which I am totally fine with. I love sheet masks. So, oh, there's 2 in here. All right. So this is what we have right here. This actually looks like, yeah, these are like 3-step masks. That's awesome. So this first one is a It's by Aqua, vitamin B3, lemon extract, and anti-mela. For uneven, dull skin, it's a brightening mask. So step one is an ampule. It's a whitening and anti-wrinkle. So you would put this on. Then you would do step two, which is the actual sheet mask. And then step three is another anti-wrinkle refresh essence. So that's awesome. And the second one is also by Aqua, obviously. And it's hyaluronate aqua hydration. It's a moisturizing for all skin types, blended with pure hyaluronic acid and mentha arvenus leaf extract. Provides deep moisture inside dry skin, and hydration effects supplies elasticity for healthy skin. So again, it's a whitening and anti-wrinkle ampule. So you put this on first, then the mask, and then the refresh essence, which again is anti-wrinkle. So I'm all about that. Let's keep wrinkles at bay. So it says here, apparently they are not Aqua. That's not the brand. Nature creates innovative hydration-focused products. The moisturizing mask uses hyaluronic acid and mentha arvenus leaf extract to moisturize and improve elasticity. The brightening mask uses vitamin B3 and lemon and rose extracts to revitalize dull skin. And then it talks about the normal 15 to 20 minutes for these sheet masks. So yay, we got 2 sheet masks, or that is full size. And now let's get to our actual bag. So the first thing I am pulling out is from Glow for Her Calls, which I have received in Ipsy, like a moisturizing cream from this brand, and it was amazing. This says Lip Love in Flirt. So I'm assuming this is like a balm. And then in Flirt. So it looks like it's slightly tinted. Let's see. Glow for Her Calls Lip Love Lip Balm in Flirt. Every Glow product you buy benefits one of the brand's nonprofit organizations. Made with vitamin E rich coconut oil, this sheer pink lip balm intensely hydrates and protects lips. Plus, the light watermelon scent is so refreshing for summer. Ooh, watermelon. Awesome. All right, so we have a nice little lip balm, and again, knowing I've used a product from this brand before, I'm sure this is going to be a great lip balm. And then we have, ooh, this is from Tarte. This is a little sample of their Amazonian Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation. It does have SPF 15, and it is in light neutral. Tarte's products are 100% cruelty-free and made with highly effective natural ingredients. This full coverage matte finish foundation covers blemishes, even skin tone, and illuminates your complexion while protecting against UVA and UVB rays. And you guys, if you have followed me, you know Tarte is one of my favorite brands. I don't think I've actually tried their Amazonian Clay foundation. I have their Shape Tape foundation, and I have the Rainforest of the Sea foundation, but I have not tried this, so I'm excited to get this guy and give it a try. All right, so we have 2 more products, and this is from, I may need to get the card. This is from Soroki Lycomato Super Restorative Sleeping Mask. Make your skin to breathe comfortably. Enriched with tomato extract, this mask provides intensive nourishment with deep moisture and brightening. So there is that guy right there. It's actually a pretty good size. So you would definitely get a few uses out of this. Sriracha, I'm not, Sorci, Sources pure natural ingredients like shea butter and apricot kernel oil in their skincare. The sleeping mask nourishes your skin overnight so you wake up glowing. Because it's silicone free, it absorbs easily and won't leave a mess on your pillow. And it doesn't say anything about having to wash it off in the morning, which I like. I really do like when a sleeping mask is not something you have to immediately wash off when you wake up in the morning. So, yay! All right, so we have one final product here in our bag. And this is one of the Tetris and Ipsy collaboration items. And it is cruelty-free. And this looks like, it says lip gloss. All right, so Tetris and Ipsy lip gloss in Matrix. What are you? Oh, now this is pretty. You can see the sparkle in that? That is really, really pretty. That would be really, it's really fun for summer. Like if you just put that on, you got a little sparkle going on. We've partnered with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary. So apparently Tetris and I are the same age. To create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. Lip toppers are trending, so wear this silver pearl shade alone or over your favorite lip colors. That is awesome. Now this I am actually going to set to the side for a future giveaway just because I have a lip gloss very, very similar to this. It is from Appeal Cosmetics and I believe I received it in a BoxyCharm. And it's this like silvery, kind of clear lip gloss topper. So I want to pass this on to one of you guys to try, so look for this in a future giveaway. But that was my June 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. So we got the 2 sheet masks, which I am definitely always for. I love getting sheet masks. We got the little Tarte foundation sample, which I am excited to try. The Glow for a Cause lip balm, which like I said, I have received a cream from them and the product is amazing. We got this sleeping mask that I'm excited to try again because it's one that you don't have to wash off. And the lip gloss that like I said, I'm going to put into a giveaway. And then I did add on again the Elizabeth Mott eyeshadow brush. So what do you guys think of my June Ipsy bag? Are we bag twins? Let me know down below. And I hope you have a fantastic Saturday. Again, please do consider hitting subscribe if you have not already. And I do hope you again all have a fantastic weekend. I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.